Okay, so we're back on the tutorial, and yeah, so in last tutorial I get too much time, and yeah, so I'm gonna limit my video to at least 5 minutes from this point on now. So I don't want to make somebody like watching 10 minutes video. It's like too much. And yeah, so let's just start it anyway. So on this tutorial we're gonna learn the comments. And okay, so open your CMD, and we're gonna make a directory on this one. So we're not gonna type on, we're not gonna use on this one and make a directory. It's kind of lazy anyway. I don't want to click this. I don't want to click the new folder. Yeah, because I'm too lazy. I don't want to click this and make a folder. Yeah, I'm too lazy to do that. So I'm gonna make on this command line. So make dir, so name of the file 03, and on this star we're gonna learn comments like that. Comments clear ls. Okay, we're gonna cd on comments like that. We're on inside the c number 303 comments, and we're gonna create again the file. We're too lazy, so programmer are lazy. We're not gonna click this and create our file because we're too much lazy to do this, man. Okay, so touch, and we're gonna touch, and let's say main.py, I guess. Here ls, and you know we're too lazy to create. We're too lazy to use Visual Studio Code, right? So we're lazy to do this. So we're gonna nano main.py, so that will open that file anyway. So this is it, right? So let's say print and hello world, something like that we say this. Yeah, so it's the same anyway. If you want nano beam, it doesn't matter at this point. So we're gonna learn comment on Python, and on this one it's like if you're working on a large program, like sometime you're gonna, how you gonna say it, forget what you write the codes. Even a professional programmer, just like 6 months or three weeks or 1 week, they forgot what they write anyway. And yeah, so most of the time you should put a, how you gonna say it, comments or notes or something like that. So how you gonna do that on programming? So in programming in general, so to do this in Python, so in different language, so I'm not gonna like Java, C Sharp. There's a too many way to do this. How you gonna comment on Python is like you're gonna hash. So this is the comments. So yeah, so this one will not compile if you type this like this on Python like that. So if you compile the code, main.py okay, error number 2, what is this? No such file or directory. Eto Python main.py. Okay, so this is the code. The comment are not compiled because it will ignore on your Python compiler, because this is a comment, so it will not compile. So that's the good thing about this. Should take a comment for every code you get, because you will forget it at some point anyway. So if you're using GitHub, because if you commit, it's like you're taking notes twice, in my personal opinion. So yeah, so this is a very short tutorial anyway. So in this tutorial we're gonna type, I think, what's tutorial is this again? 6? Oh, I told you, right? People gonna forget, right? I'm gonna copy this one. It's tutorial 6. Okay, so we learn how to make comments on Python 3. So Python 3, what's Python 3? So there's a version on Python like Python 3 and Python 2. It's absolutely different, but it's the same, but the way compiler 2 and 3. So we're using Python 3 right now. Okay, so thank you for watching, something like that, and push it to your origin. Okay, so we're done with the comments, so we're gonna go to the variables right now. So variables are cool topics that we're gonna tackle, and yeah, see you in the next tutorial.